Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button below so you won't miss any of my videos. And for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Facebook post template on your Canva. So go ahead and proceed with logging into your account in canva.com. And once you reach your homepage, go ahead and proceed with clicking the templates on your left panel. Then go ahead and click on social media. Then you'll be able to choose Facebook post, Facebook cover, Facebook ad, or your story. But for me, I'm going to create a Facebook post. There you go. So there's a lot of available templates already. But if you wanted to create a blank Facebook post, here is what you're going to click. But for me, I'm going to choose, let's choose this welcome back to school. Since after pandemic, now every kid are already on face to face. So let's go ahead and proceed with clicking customize this template. And once you're done, you can go ahead and edit this template. So you can animate it or do whatever you want. Okay, you can still add a page if you wanted to add some. And then just go ahead and proceed with click save button. And then that's it. You already create you've already created a Facebook post template in Canva. I hope that this video helped you a lot and see you in my next video. Bye. Bye guys.